Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel where we help you buy smart, not hard. Today, we're diving into the world of steam mops because, let's face it, we all want to clean our floors without accidentally creating a slip and slide disaster. On my left, we have the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop, the mop that claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, which is a fancy way of saying it's like a bouncer for your floors. And on my right, we have the Nugo Steam Mop, the mop that promises to turn grime into, well, not grime. It's like the superhero of steam cleaning, minus the cape. So which one will reign supreme? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell Power Fresh is priced at a wallet-friendly $92. That's cheaper than a fancy dinner for two, and trust me, you won't have to do the dishes after. Meanwhile, the Nugo Steam Mop is a bit more upscale at $119. It's like the rich cousin who shows up to the family reunion with a fancy car and a questionable sense of humor. So for those of you on a budget, Bissell takes the crown in this round. Now let's get down to the dirty business. Cleaning power. The Bissell promises to clean and sanitize those sealed hard floors without harsh chemicals. It's like giving your floors a spa day without the cucumber slices. Plus, it eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Just think, your floors could be cleaner than your ex's excuses. On the other hand, the Nugo kicks it up a notch with steam temperatures reaching 230 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to make a cup of tea jealous. It's like the steam mop equivalent of a sauna, perfect for deep cleaning and removing tough grime. So if you're into intense heat, Nugo is your go-to, but if you prefer a gentle touch, Bissell's got your back. Now let's compare features. The Bissell comes with a flip-down easy scrubber. It's like having a little sidekick, ready to tackle those stubborn messes while you sip your coffee in the corner. Plus, with its Smart Set digital steam control, you can choose from high, medium, or low steam. It's like the Goldilocks of steam mops, just right for every mess. Nugo, however, is not to be outdone. It comes with 10 accessories, turning your steam mop into a Swiss Army knife for cleaning. Need to clean the windows? Check. Want to tackle the nasty toilet lid bolts? You bet. It's like the steam mop that can do it all while wearing a superhero cape. So in this round, Nugo's versatility takes the cake. Or should I say, the mop. Usability is next on our list. The Bissell features a 23-foot power cord, which is long enough to reach every corner of your home. Unless you live in a mansion, then you might need a mop with a longer cord. It's also ready to use in just 30 seconds, perfect for those last-minute cleaning frenzies when the in-laws decide to drop by. Nugo also boasts a 23-foot cord and a removable water tank that holds 15.2 ounces. Plus, it features an adjustable height, so you won't have to bend down and risk an injury that'll have you walking like a penguin. It's lightweight, flexible, and easy to maneuver around furniture. So if you're looking for a mop that doesn't require a gym membership to lift, Nugo is your friend here. After scouring through numerous reviews, it's clear that the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop is praised for its affordability and effectiveness on textured ceramic floors, though some users noted it may struggle with built-up gunk. Meanwhile, the Nugo Steam Mop is celebrated for its lightweight design, versatility with attachments, and ability to clean various surfaces, although a few users experienced challenges with assembly. So, there you have it. In the battle of the steam mops, the Bissell Power Fresh is your budget-friendly, germ-fighting champ, while the Nugo Steam Mop brings versatility and serious steam power to the table. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, Whether you go for the Bissell or the Nugo, you're one step closer to having those floors looking like they just walked out of a cleaning commercial. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more comparisons, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to buy smart. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your purchases smarter. Bye!